is you get a couple of options. The first is just call me. Call me directly. You can reach me at 512-410-1234. It's also obviously on the website. Feel free to give me a call. Fill out the form that's right here on the site and tell us what you want to do. You've got the opportunity to get it any way that you want it, and we'll come out at your convenience. And let me say this, it doesn't take 5 hours in your home to tell you about windows. We carry a full line of windows, and once we've got an idea of what you're trying to accomplish with your project, typically if we're in the house for over 45 minutes or an hour, it's because you've got questions and you ask us to start.